Welcome beginners and seniors. Today we are doing a basic rebounder workout. I have a step handy that I like to use to help transition on and off my mini trampoline carefully with my T-bar. So between those two things, it's a lot easier to get on and off. Let's get started with our warm-up right now. Starting off here with a gentle health bounce. No timer today. We're just going through some very foundational movements, some movements that we perform on a daily basis, like lowering, lifting, some balance work, some shifting side to side. But for now, let's go through some form. Our feet are pushing down into the mat for the health bounce, flat foot. Evenly distribute your weight. Don't have it too far back. On your sides, certainly don't have your knees concaving inwards. They're tracking above the ankles and the knees are pacing forward. So we have a gentle push down into the mat, bend in our knees. They are not locked out. Our core is going to be tight and engaged. Our chest is proud and our shoulders are back down away from our ears. And lastly, our gaze is forward. And if you have your stability bar / T-bar, please hang on to that. So the health bounce is just to help us get acclimated to being on an unsteady surface. A lot of recruiting, stabilizing muscles are being recruited during this process. We are on an unsteady surface, so the body is finding its way to stabilize. The core is engaged, like I said, the stabilizing muscles in the ankles, everything is fired up. Deep breath in, don't hold your breath. Always starting with a health bounce here, just warming the body up, preparing it for the workout or practicing moves that are coming. Nice work. Slow and steady your feet here. And let's start shifting our weight side to side, maybe a little bit wider stance here. We're just transferring our weight side to side in a little bit of a rhythmic motion. Just a gentle sway side to side, transferring the weight, practicing having the weight on one side and shifting it to the other. Gentle sway, slight bend in those knees. Again, establishing that posture, that form on being on an unsteady surface. When we're just starting out on rebounding, it's important to get the foundation set and safety set. So now that we're a little bit more warmed up, let's start marching in place. So your feet are a little more narrow now. Pushing down into the mat, and now the other foot is lifting off the mat ever so slightly. Still getting used to this unsteady surface. Core in tight, slight bend in the knees from the side. Just a little baby lift off walk. We're not bouncing as in bouncing here. We're marching up and down. So as if you were on the floor, marching in place. You lift and lower your foot. We're doing that on the mini trampoline. So if I didn't have my bounce, I would be here. Again, still on an unsteady surface. If you can try to incorporate the push down into the mat and allow the mat to rebound your foot back up, go ahead and practice that. March, march, march. Very nice. Can you transition this now into a wider march? It might feel a little awkward at first, certainly not wider than shoulder width apart, about shoulder width apart. Feels more like a stomp. Stomp, stomp, march in place. Nice work. Deep breath in, don't hold your breath. And don't forget about that core. I'm going to keep trying to remind you about that. So you might start to feel like you're getting a little breathy. You might start to feel that you're having a flush, right? A rush of blood, warmth perhaps, certainly some warmth in the thighs, or the quads rather. March in place here. Slow it down for me. How was that? All right, so we're warm, okay? The flush in the body is happening, circulation is happening. We're challenging our cardiovascular system. Now we're gonna slow things down a little bit and we're going to shift weight onto one foot. You choose left or right. Slight bend in that standing leg, lifting up the other leg to practice balance. This is where our brain is getting involved. Synapses are firing. The body's going, what are we doing? Well, what we're doing is trying to strengthen our ankle, trying to help our proprioception with the aid of our T-bar, stability bar. Deep breath in, carefully shift that weight to the other side. Cores in tight. That's going to help protect our back. It's going to help us lift that leg. Breathe. Exhale. Very nice. Couple more seconds. You got this. Don't forget that bend in the standing leg. Yes, it'll start to speak to you. Working on our stabilizing muscles in that ankle. All right. So a little bit wider here than shoulder width apart. We're not going to be doing any bouncing, so it's going to be okay to do that. I want you to shift the weight like we did before, but lift the back foot up and give me a small rocking butt kicker. Shifting side to side, lifting that back foot and getting it as close to your glute as possible. So I'm going to just let go and show you from the back here. You're holding on to your stability bar and you're kicking your own butt. You're shifting, transferring that weight, practicing stabilizing on a single leg, single foot here. So we're practicing our proprioception, as I said, and we're practicing stabilizing muscles and coordination. If this doesn't work for you, then just give me that transfer again, side to side, transferring that weight, shifting side to side, being on that unsteady surface. You got this. Okay, so stepping a little bit back on your mini trampoline, just still being able to have on your hands on your T-bar. I want to step forward and backwards, forward and backwards. No bouncing required here. Just practicing a different plane of motion, a different movement pattern. Nice work. So you're leading with one leg. Which leg are you leading with? I'm on camera, might look a little different, but it's the right leg that I'm leading with. So now I'm going to switch and lead with my other leg. So try and give me that switch if you can. Nice work. Forward and backwards, forward and backwards, and meet me in the middle again. And let's continue that pattern, but side to side. So step to the side, side to side, step touch. Nice work. Let me know in the description box below where you're working out with me from, what rebounder you're using. I love getting comments from you. I'm getting comments from all over the world, and it really, truly warms my heart. I so do appreciate that. Couple more here. And return to this basic health bounce position from which we started. And that again, flat foot pushing down into the mat, slight bend in the knees, cores engaged, proud chest, shoulders back and down away from our ears, because we do have a tendency to shrug them and get a little stiff. So drop them, relax them, and gaze forward, and please always hold on to your stability bar. Very nice. Just ending it out here. Feel free to repeat this again, back to back, if that suits you. And stop entirely here. Deep breath in. Exhale out. Can you practice an ankle circle here? Circle one way, reverse that. You might hear some crackling and some popping. One way circle, other side, reverse. And deep breath in and out. When you're ready, and only when you're ready, hanging on to your T-bar stability bar, having your step handy, because this is about a foot in height, step off and step down. I hope you enjoyed this entry-level senior beginner workout. If you need some more workouts, I have plenty of boomer bounce workouts on my channel under the playlist. I so appreciate you joining me today. Please, as always, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Those are all free things that you can do that help my channel get picked up by the algorithm so more people can find them and work out with us here at home for free. So thank you so much for doing your part. I really appreciate it. Bye for now.